Hello friends, welcome back to channel NEET. Today we are going to continue with the chapter that is known as biological classification. Today is lecture number 7 and we are seeing up the concept regarding kingdom Monera. In the previous videos we have covered about the history of kingdom Monera and the general characteristics of kingdom Monera. In today's topic we are going to start with the classification pattern which is seen in kingdom Monera. So before starting up, I want to just recall you with some properties of kingdom Monera. So let us see some properties of kingdom Monera which are very important. As you people are already aware that most of the organisms which are belonging to kingdom Monera are bacteria. They are generally prokaryotic. So these are the 2 points you should always keep in mind whenever you are thinking with respect to Monera. The bacteria might be unicellular or might be multicellular. So now we are going to see up the topic regarding bacteria in detail so that we could justify kingdom Monera very properly. So let us start with the detailing of the bacteria. The first point, bacteria was first observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek in year 1683. He is considered as father of microbiology. He has found the bacteria in the scum of teeth, and the bacteria which he has found out, he named it as animalcule. Which means animals which are smaller in size. That was a naming that was given by Anton van Leeuwenhoek to the bacteria. So the name is animalcules. Fine. Let us go to the next point. The term bacteria was coined by Ehrenberg, father of bacteriology, is known as Robert Koch. Next point, the first person to classify bacteria properly was David Heinrich Berge. Let's see the next point. David Heinrich Berge has published a book. The name of the book is Manual of determinative native bacteriology. This book was published in year 1923. So let us quickly revise some points which we have discussed now. Bacteria which were first observed by Anton van Leeuwenhoek in 1683. He is known as father of microbiology, so this point becomes very important. Fine. In the scum of teeth, and he named them as animalcules. So name was given as animalcules by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. The term bacteria was coined by Ehrenberg. The father of bacteriology was Robert Koch. So this again becomes very important name. So the first person who has classified bacteria very properly, David Henrik Berge. Fine. He was an American microbiologist. He has written a book named as Manual of Determinative Bacteriology in year, which is published in year 1923. So the classification that we are going to read with respect to bacteria was actually done very properly by D.H. Berge in his book that is known as Manual of Determinative Bacteriology. Now we'll see of the classification that was given by him to bacteria. So let us start with the third point regarding classification that is seen in Monera. So let us see some important points now. Let us see the first point. D.H. Berge gave classification of bacteria under class Schizomycetes. Next point. So D.H. Berge divided bacteria into 6 groups. So let us see which are those 6 groups. So bacteria was divided into the 6th group. Let's see which are those groups now. First is Archaebacteria. The next is Actinomycetes. The third is Rickettsia. The fourth, Chlamydia. The fifth, mycoplasms. And the last is eubacteria. Now each of these bacteria are different from each other. We'll see each of the bacteria in detail. So let us revise some important points in classification. Okay, as you have already known that it was given by D.H. Burge, which was almost a good classification that what he has suggested, and he has divided bacteria under class schizomycetes. So this word become very important. So under schizomycetes he has divided bacteria into 6 groups, and those groups are as follows. So he divided bacteria into 6 following group. The first, what we call it as archaebacteria. The next is actinomycetes. The next is rickettsia, followed by chlamydia. Next is mycoplasm, and finally we have eubacteria, also considered as modern bacteria. So this was a classification of bacteria that was laid down by D.H. Burge. Fine. Now we will see each of these in details. So we'll stop here. Hope you like today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.